Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of these floor mats for the Model Y, and this is sponsored by BASENOR. So we're going to do the unboxing, and then I'm going to just do the installation to my Model Y, and just to check on the fitment and see how it looks like. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick unboxing. So I believe this is a 7-piece set. So I'll list all of the descriptions in the link below, so just in case if anybody wants to buy it. BASENOR has sponsored a few of my videos already, and the products are pretty awesome. One of the products that a lot of people purchase is the mud flap, which is, and it's really nice. Really nice. You can take it one by one. This is probably for the trunk itself. Alright, so this is for the trunk. Really nice fabric feel. That's it. And it does come with the two sides on the rear in the trunk, which is good. Alright, so we'll put this aside. And we're going to do, I'll just lay it down flat so that way it would be easy for me to install it afterwards. And check on this one here. This is for the seat car on the back seat, like from behind the, from when you're looking at the from the trunk in. This is going behind your rear seat, like the, okay, really nice. There, comes in 3 pieces. This one is a big one. So the first big one. So this one is probably either the driver's side or the passenger one. So this one is the passenger and this is the driver, because I can tell because it has a little slot right here. And it says Model Y. And so here you can see the back of it. Alright, so I'll put it on the side over here. Alright, so this is the rear piece. Alright, so I'm going to lay it flat first, and we're going to do the installations into the car. With my 3 little kids, and even though I've been telling them not to eat anything in the, in the back of the car, and I took the car to the beach a couple times, and as you see, a bunch of sands got through it. So with the, oh, look at that. Oh, Lord. So hopefully, I'm going to put, after my wife vacuumed this, I'm going to put in the floor mats. We're going to see how it looks like, okay? All right, so we're going to do the passenger side on the front first. Pretty good. Pretty nice fit. All right, so we're going to do the driver as well. Drivers. If it makes it easy, you guys can move the driver's seat back a little bit, so give you guys a little bit more room. But there we go. Fit it. There we go. And yep. And now we're gonna do the back seat. Fairly easy. Anybody can do this. All right. Wiggle it in. Wiggle it in, wiggle it in, wiggle it in, push it down, nice and tug. Wow. It doesn't get any better than that. Look at that, guys. Looks like this catches all the edges. That is good. Nice and flat. Beautiful. All right, so let's go to the back and we'll do the trunk. Nice. Slide it in. Slide it in. Nice. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the plate so I don't put it on. Okay, and we do the two-side one. I'm wondering if it's the same. Maybe different. Yep, so it's like that. So stay like that. Okay, so the back cover, it's easy to install because it has this Velcro. It just snaps, it sticks right into your back seats. However, I already have the seat covers, and it's really hard for me to remove it. But so that's why I'm not gonna remove it. But for you guys to install it, we just, you know, we're gonna find it right. Or maybe it's better if you flip it down. You flip it down and then you just put it on it and you install. So same thing with this one. You're just gonna flip it down and then you put it on, and that's for the seat covers on the back. But other than that, as you can see, it's very nice and it fitted pretty well. And you know, I really like it. These are some of the sayings that just from me taking it off. But other than that, it looks really nice. Yeah, and so far, let me know what you guys think about the floor mats. And this one I think come with 7 pieces, so it's really nice. Two front and the rear and the trunk and the 2 little size pocket hole. Not bad at all. So I'll list all the links and you know, in the description part. So if you guys are interested, you know, make it easier for you guys. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing and the installations. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. On that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.